Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong nakakalungkot na balita. Alright, intro muna tayo guys. Let's get it on. Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Ayan, meron tayong reaction video dito sa Los Angeles. Los Angeles Country dito sa View Pacific Palisades Fire as seen from Encino in Los Angeles. Alright? Ito ay panoorin po natin at ito ay wildfire na nangyayari ngayon dito sa LA. Alright? Let's get it on. Alright, yan po ang isang wildfire sa Los Angeles. At ito ay View of Pacific Palisades Fire as seen Encino in Los Angeles Country. The video was captured part midnight of January 9 local time. The wildfire which started 4 days ago has so charred around 21,500 acres in area considered in cradle of LA culture and heritage. Alright, thank you so much at ingat kayo dyan sa LA, sa Los Angeles. At marami ring Pilipino dyan, di ba? Ingat-ingat guys and thank you so much sa inyong lahat. God bless us all and ayan, pagdasal po natin ang Encino in Los Angeles Country sa Palisades Fire. Alright?